Welcome. Thank you for tuning in today. Whether you're new to meditation or looking to deepen your practice, this video is designed to help you find the most comfortable and effective postures for meditation. Today, we'll explore various sitting positions, their benefits, and how to maintain comfort during your practice. Posture is pivotal in meditation because it influences both our physical comfort and mental alertness. Proper posture helps maintain the flow of energy and allows for deeper concentration and a more fulfilling meditation experience. Let's break down the components of a good posture. We'll go through several postures including the lotus, half lotus, Burmese, Seiza, and chair positions. For each posture, I'll discuss the alignment of the body, the specific benefits, and common challenges people face. Now, let's practice. Start by choosing the space where you feel comfortable. We'll try each posture for about 2 minutes. Focus on how each position feels in your body, and note any discomfort or ease you experience. Many beginners face issues like leg numbness, back pain, or difficulty in maintaining the pose. Let's talk about some tips and modifications to help alleviate these challenges without losing the essence of the posture. Using props such as meditation cushions, benches, or even folded blankets can significantly increase comfort. I'll show you how to use these props effectively in each position to support your body and enhance your meditation practice. Let's engage in a mindfulness exercise focusing on bodily sensations while sitting in meditation. Pay attention to your breathing, the points of contact between your body and the floor or cushion, and any areas of tension or relaxation. Choose the posture that felt most comfortable for you earlier. We will enter a longer meditation period now. I will guide you through a body scan, helping you settle into stillness and deepen your meditation. Now, let's open the floor for questions. Feel free to share your experiences or any difficulties you encountered. This is a great time to clarify doubts and explore solutions together. Thank you all for participating in today's session on meditation postures. Remember, the key is regular practice and listening to your body. Adjust as necessary, and use the posture that best helps you bridge the connection between mind, body, and breath. If you enjoyed this session and want to learn more about meditation techniques, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on our upcoming videos. Stay mindful, and see you next time.